Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute pink gumball machine. First you're going to need some pink clay. I'm using Sculpey 3 pink. You're also going to need a little glass orb with a hole in it. First you're going to roll out one end of the clay. Then you want to flatten out both ends. Make sure it gets skinnier as you go up. Next you want to roll out some pink clay. Then you want to take the rolled out pink clay and put it around the base. Cut off all the extra. Next, I'm using a little bit of nail polish remover to take off all the dust and fingerprints. Next, you're going to take a little bit of pink clay and roll it into a ball and stick it on top of your little glass orb. Roll out a pink piece of clay. You're then going to take the little strip of clay and put it around the base of the clay on top of the orb. Roll out a little ball of pink clay and stick it on the top. Then put the eye pin in the top. Now we're going to take a little bit of gray clay and flatten it out. Use your X-Acto knife to cut out a square. Take the little square of gray clay and put it at the top of the base. Now you're going to take a very small ball of gray clay and put it on the top of the gray square. Now you're going to use your dotting tool to make the holes for the eyes. Sorry, my camera got out of focus here and it's really blurry. Instead of using clay, I'm going to use micro marbles for the eyes. For the mouth, you want to roll out a very thin piece of black clay. Cut a piece off with the X-Acto knife and make it look like a smiley face before putting it on the gumball machine. If you want, you can also put a little bit of blush under the eyes. So you want to roll out a bunch of different colored gumballs for your gumball machine. Next, you bake according to your packaging's instructions. For glazing my charm, I'm going to use UV resin. I'm going to put a little bit of UV resin on top of the orb to attach the top. You're then going to glaze the rest of your charm. Even though I didn't wear them for this video, I highly advise wearing gloves while handling UV resin. Next, you want to put all the gumballs in the top of the gumball machine. Next, take some UV resin and put it on the top of the bottom of the gumball machine. When putting the top on, make sure you do it upside down so that way none of the balls get stuck to the bottom. And there you go, you have a cute gumball machine. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.